You can view the map layers by clicking the map layers icon in the upper right toolbar. When active, a pane will open on the right hand side. Clicking the icon again will close the pane. The map layers are organized by groups. You can expand or collapse any of the groups by clicking on the group name. The default map layers are in the county group. Visible map layers are indicated by a check mark and black font. You can turn on or off any layer by clicking the checkbox, followed by clicking the Refresh Visible Layers button at the bottom to update the map. If a layer is not visible at the current map scale, its name will be grayed out. As the map's extent is adjusted, the list of visible layers will update automatically. To the left of the checkbox is an option to adjust the transparency. The slider adjusts the transparency of the target layer. Click off the slider to close the tool. Turning on any of the map layers in the imagery group will automatically change symbology to select layers in the county group. Alternatively, you can turn the individual layers off for a customized view. The map layers are stacked from top to bottom within each group. The groups stack from bottom to top. For example, layers from the county group will always render over layers from the imagery group. The map legend is located on a tab within the same pane to the right of the map layers. The legend displays information related to each layer's symbology and only displays visible map layers.